Welcome back on the channel, guys. VST here, Valence Tech. Today I want to compare the famous Google Photos memory widget with the Samsung version of it. It's called the Picture Frame, and it was released later July this year. And in fact, I never used it so far. I actually just installed it on my phone, and then I was scratching my head and I was thinking maybe it's a good idea to just see how much of here we have here and vice versa. But before we do this, I'm just gonna show you the original. So the first original is the one released from the Google Photos. You probably know, but Google Photos is one of the best photo services out there. I have been using Google Photos since it was called Picasa, not Google that one. Alright, this here is the Pixel phone, Pixel 3 XL running Android 12. We have Photos, your memories 2x2 rediscover moments from Google Photos. This here is the Samsung version called the Picture Frame. Yeah, what a surprise! We have a picture frame that is 2x2, and you don't really get more info than that, but just first see how this performs. So I'm gonna add this on my home screen, and then we're gonna see the options here and here. I have added the Google Photo memories on my home screen, and that's a picture I have. I was not able, guys, to find any settings. Now when you click it, you just will enter, and that's pretty much it. When you go outside, at some point you're gonna get, guys, a new picture, right? So when you double hold it, you can apparently resize it, so you can make this go bigger, and that as much as you can do with this, right? So double tapping will do nothing. So there are no settings on the widget directly, guys, but when you click inside Google Photos and you go to photo settings, you can click on memories, and then you can actually specify what to show and not. So you have the option to hide people and pets. Once you go there, you can individually select which people to hide. You can also hide dates, which is quite nice. There is also this advanced feature. Select the types of creation to be shown in your memory, so you know that Google Photos is able to pull off some collages or also animations. Yeah, you can decide to exclude them or to leave them in, and that's as much as you can get. You have also here featured memories, right? So previous years, recent highlights, team memories. I'm just going to leave all of that. And you have the notifications, manage memories notification, partner sharing, suggested sharing, you know, the printing, all the memories, the team memories, so plenty of options. This here is the option to hide people and pets, and it's a bit weird because you need to click on all the people, and sometimes of course you have people appearing on many other places, so I'm not sure, but okay, it's there and you can use it. Now let's see what you can do with the Samsung version, right? So it is here on the screen. You need of course to allow some of the features. So add pictures, alright, that's a good thing. The first thing it asks is which pictures to add from an album or a random. So let's just go and choose an album there. And I've chosen an album from my Facebook Messenger, which, okay, are not really some pictures. But hey guys, you can also drag this around, right? And probably make it even bigger than what we see here on the screen, right? So I would say it does look quite the same. And just note here, pay attention and note these round edges, right? I don't think I have to tell you, but this is really Android 12. But hey, the first option was there, so apparently you can select specific albums or even random. Now let's hold here and go to settings, because this is really the interesting part. So add images, those images are now added to the widget. You can choose also the layout, which I don't think you can do here on the Pixel phone, right? And then you have the slideshow interval. You can go 3 seconds, 5 seconds and 7 seconds. So you can also choose center and fill the frame. You can just go and choose fit the frame, or even stretch to fit the frame, which is nice. And of course you can also match it with the dark mode. Now holding here this widget will not give you anything but just the fact to remove it. So I kind of think that the widget here on the Samsung is a bit more versatile. But the Samsung's gallery is becoming very, very powerful. I did a video these days comparing Bixby with Google Assistant, and indeed the Samsung gallery is just able to find specific pictures like cars or let's say mountain, etc. This widget here probably a bit more customizable than the one we have on the Google Pixel, but I'll leave this up to you guys. I really hope that you've enjoyed the video. If that's the case, don't forget to like it, share it, subscribe to the channel, guys. Please, you and your family stay safe until we meet in one of the next videos. With that said, VST over and